You've studied English grammar for years and memorized the vocabulary, but when it's time to actually speak, you completely freeze up. Breaking that barrier requires these 4 active daily habits. First up, instead of studying grammar, try listening to the same short audio story dozens of times over a single week. This habit is called deep listening. It rewires your brain to understand meaning instantly, killing the habit of translating first. Next, play a native speaker's video and speak out loud at the exact same time, never waiting for a pause. This technique is called shadowing. Processing and producing language simultaneously builds physical muscle memory for perfect pronunciation. Number 3, narrate your daily routine out loud exactly like a documentary. Describing mundane actions forces you to generate spontaneous sentences. It immediately exposes the practical, everyday vocabulary you never realized you were missing. Finally, prepare for your mind to go blank by memorizing an escape route. These are called rescue phrases. Saying, "what I mean is," drastically reduces speaking anxiety. It gives you time to recover while keeping the natural conversation flowing. The takeaway? Fluency isn't built by memorizing rules in a textbook. It happens when you stop treating the language like an academic subject and start treating it like a physical workout.